how to set favorite channels on Vseebox. So you can add channels to favorites to find them easily on your favorite list. There are two ways you can achieve this function. First way is to long press the OK button of your remote while hovering on the channel. White heart icon appears when it's successfully added to favorite list. Vice versa, long press the OK button over the channel again to cancel favorite. Now, another way is to click on your OK button on your remote and visit the menu page, and then you can see the favorite tab. In the favorite tab, it will list all the TV channels. You can click OK to select the channel to favorite, vice versa, click OK again to cancel it from your favorite. To check your favorite channels, you can click OK on the live TV screen to call out the normal EPG. On the left side, there is a tab favorite list. You can click and open the channels. And that is how you can basically set favorite channels on VC Box.